10 days after the terrible tragedy that struck in Kerala's Wayanad, as today Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to visit the landslides hit area, where the Prime Minister will be reviewing the relief and the rehabilitation efforts and is expected also to interact with the survivors. The Prime Minister will be reaching Kannur at around 11 a.m. and thereafter will also undertake aerial survey of the landslides affected areas and will also be taking a brief on the evacuation efforts, the relief camps and also the hospitals there. And it is expected that he will also be interacting with the victims, the survivors of the tragedy that killed over 400 people. Now, as far as Prime Minister's program for today is concerned, days after, as far as the relief and the rescue efforts that are almost over in that area, the Prime Minister is expected to do an aerial survey. Of course, when it comes to assessing the ground situation, the very day when the tragedy struck, he dialed the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and he had a word with him and also assured that all possible help on part of the government, on part of the centre, would be given to the state of Kerala. And immediately union ministers were also dispatched to Wayanad to assess the ongoing situation. In the meantime, we also talk about the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha and former Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi saying that this visit was a good decision, and he expressed confidence that once the Prime Minister sees the extent of the devastation firsthand, he will declare it as a national disaster. This is also a demand that has been put forth by the government of Kerala in order to access funds and join hands with the MPs in rebuilding process. Jayalakshmi is with us right now, joining us live. Jayalakshmi, a quick brief as far as Prime Minister's today's program is concerned.
Yes, Prime Minister is expected to land in Kannur Airport at 11 a.m. and from there there will be an aerial survey and he will be reaching Wayanad, that is Kalpetta, exactly around 12 p.m. is what is we understand right now. And after the aerial survey, he will be visiting relief camps as to take the stock of the situation, and he will personally meet the people who have been affected in this landslide, and definitely there will be a review meeting post in which there will be discussions as to how to proceed, what is to be done further, and definitely PM will be briefed about the ongoing rescue operations and how it is going to how the state is planning to continue it further. We also know that at this time that the rescue operations are almost over and it is nearing completion, and so definitely what will be the process further, how will the normal the lives of the people who are in relief camps will resume post this will be definitely discussed and a decision will be taken.
All right, but as far as assessing the ground situation is also concerned, because when the tragedy struck, it was Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi and other leaders who visited the affected areas. Now that the Prime Minister is also expected to visit the same areas, it is almost to a point, Jayalakshmi, where we are looking at that the rescue efforts are now almost over. It is more about the challenge of relief and providing rehabilitation.
Yes, definitely. As we speak, we know that the death toll has definitely crossed 400. So that is something, which is concerning again, as Rahul Gandhi had raised it when Prime Minister will himself visit the landslide affected area. Probably what we expect, what the state government and the opposition also expects is that they will probably analyze the situation and realize the depth of the tragedy and probably declare it as a national calamity. That is what is being expected, and the relief measures that the central government can provide post declaring it as a national calamity is also something that is being expected from the state as well. But we know for a fact that this was definitely one of a very intense tragedy that the state of Kerala had witnessed in a long time. Maybe after the 2018 floods, this is again one of the drastic tragedy that the state has witnessed, and we had lost almost as over 400 lives, and definitely something very crucial at this point that the central government can deliver, and that is exactly what is being expected from the people who are affected in this tragedy. And people in the relief camps are definitely waiting for the Prime Minister to come and speak to them, so that they also know what is the next step that is going to be taken.
All right, in the meantime, let's listen into a few reactions that are also coming in as far as the entire program